Hi, you guys. It is Wednesday, November 4th. I hope that you guys are going to have a great day today. I still need you guys to do your virtual check-in, okay? So please make sure you do your virtual check-in. The date is not 11 the 3rd. It is November the 4th, all right? Just a reminder, due dates for assignments this coming Sunday. Your project part 1 and part 2 are due, and the other 2s are overdue. So please make sure that you take care of these. Important dates. Don't forget, we have our Ancient Egypt test next Tuesday, and I will start posting review sessions, review sheets tomorrow. So we talked about ancient Egyptian kingdoms, and as historians and Egyptologists find all these artifacts, they're trying to put all these pieces together like a puzzle. And as they do, they find all this information where they start putting history, ancient Egypt's history, into different kingdoms. And you guys were to write or draw this timeline yesterday, and we were able to distinguish the time frame as to when Old Kingdom happened, when the Middle and New Kingdom happened, and what were some of the facts in between those kingdoms. We also watched this video yesterday, and if you feel as though you did not, if you feel as though you need to revisit that, that's fine too. It's okay. That's why it's there. Oh, come on. All right. So for today's lesson, I need you guys to work on the timeline of Pharaoh worksheet. In this worksheet, students will use the timeline created in their notebook from November the 3rd, which was yesterday's lesson, to answer questions in the timeline of Pharaoh. So your worksheet is going to be here, and then I will also attach it separately. And in your worksheet, timeline of your Pharaoh project. To prepare for the group project on Thursday, October 5th, students will need to answer the following questions about their Pharaoh. And this is about the Pharaoh that you picked for your project. There are 3 simple questions here. 1, which kingdom does your Pharaoh belong to? So take a look at your timeline and take a look at your project part 1. Take a look at the date and say, okay, so where does my Pharaoh fall? Is it the Old Kingdom, the Middle, or the New Kingdom? I want you to also write it in this document. 2, look at your timeline from Tuesday's lesson and determine where your Pharaoh will be located by drawing a star on the timeline. Okay? So you want to take a look at the date on your Pharaoh, and you want to see where your Pharaoh is going to be on that timeline. You're going to draw a star on that, and you're going to put in this document if you completed that. 3, list 3 accomplishments about your Pharaoh. So it's important that in these timelines, because there's so much history and so much dynasties and pharaohs, that we want to focus on what your Pharaoh accomplished during his time period and during his reign. Okay? So you're going to also write that on number 3. If you have any questions, let me know. Oh, and also don't turn this in. Okay? You're going to need this for Thursday, so do not turn this in, but have this copy handy. All right? Make sure you fill it out and so that we can have this for Thursday. Have a good day, you guys. Bye.